Hello friends, we have a question here. We are to simplify root 5 minus 2 all over root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 plus 2 all over root 5 minus 2. Now this is a SURDS expression, addition of fractions involving SURD. Now let us liken this expression to something like this. Assuming you have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. To simplify this expression, the first thing that comes to mind is to look for the LCM of the denominators. And that we can do by simply multiplying the two denominators together. So 2 multiplied 3 gives us 6. And so the LCM is 6. We now continue the simplification. So we are going to use the same approach to simplify this one. So these are the denominators. We are going to look for the LCM of the denominators, and that we can do by simply multiplying the two denominators, so that our LCM becomes root 5 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 minus 2. So these are LCM. Next, we are going to use each of the denominators of the fraction to divide the LCM, and the answer it gives to us, we use it to multiply the numerator. So the LCM divided by this denominator. Root 5 plus 2, we simply strike off this root 5 plus 2 and we are left with root 5 minus 2. So this will multiply this numerator, so that we have root 5 minus 2 multiply the numerator, which is root 5 minus 2. We put our plus sign, we move to the next. Root 5 minus 2, we divide the LCM. What it simply means is that root 5 minus 2, we strike out this root 5 minus 2 and we are left with root 5 plus 2, which we'll use to multiply this numerator. So we have root 5 plus 2 multiply root 5 plus 2. Now we can simplify further now. Everything in this bracket we multiply each term in this bracket. So we start with root 5. Root 5 multiply root 5 gives us root 25. So here we have root 25. Next, root 5 multiply negative 2 gives us minus 2 root 5. Now we have used 5 to multiply each term here. Next is 2. Negative 2 multiply 5 root 5 will give us minus 2 root 5. And then minus 2 multiply minus 2. First, minus times minus gives us plus. And then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. We are done with this. Move to the next. Now, everything here will multiply each other. Root 5 multiply root 5 is root 25. Next, root 5 multiply positive 2 gives us plus 2 root 5. Next, 2 multiply root 5 is also plus 2 root 5. And lastly, 2 multiply 2 gives us plus 4. We are done with the numerator. We are moving now to the denominator. So here, root 5 multiply root 5 gives us root 25. Root 5 multiply negative 2 gives us minus 2 root 5. And then 2 multiply root 5 plus 2 root 5. And lastly, positive 2 multiply negative 2 gives us minus 4. So now, looking at the numerator, we find out that we have minus 2 root 5 here, and at this other side we have plus 2 root 5. So this minus 2 root 5 strikes out this plus 2 root 5. Again, we have another minus 2 root 5 here, and another plus 2 root 5. So this equally we strike off this, so that we are left with root 25, 4, root 25, and then 4. So we have here square root of 25 plus this 4 plus square root of 25 again plus this 4 all over. Looking at the denominator, we have negative 2 root 5 and positive 2 root 5. So they will strike each other, so that we are left with square root of 25 minus 4. Let's attend to the numerator now. The square root of 25 is 5 plus 4 plus again square root of 25 is 5 plus 4. Divide by square root of 25 is 5 minus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. All over 5 minus 4 is 1. And 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18. So this is our answer. Thank you very much for watching.